Hello everyone, today on the DLR Roadster we got to work on our radiator mount. Bars to stabilize the top of the radiator. So we're going to start by pulling off the radiator shell. By the way, compliments of Quick Speed Shop, a nice patina 2829 Model A grill shell. I'm holding the radiator in place with some string just to get the right angle that I want it to set. So from there, I want to fashion a couple of rods, one on each side. This will be the top support. So the first thing I did was drill out this hole on the firewall because I've got the screw that I want to use. So I drilled out the hole to fit that. And in this rod, I've got to drill out a hole to fit this nut rivet. We're going to insert that so that we can fasten this end of the rod onto the firewall. Well, I marked the rod right where I want to drill, and I'll center punch. Now we'll take it over to the drill press, punch a hole in there, and install our nut rivet. Here we are at the drill press. Let's line that up, turn on power, and punch a hole. There you go. Now there's a little bit of a burr down in here, so I'm going to run the cutoff wheel real quickly just to knock that burr off of there. That should do it. Now to install the nut rivet. Place our rivet on the tool. We're going to put it right in the hole just like that. Crimp it down. Take the tool off of it. Now it accepts our screw just like that. So we'll take it over to the car, see how it fits. Okay, that's going to fit right on there. Get the screw to thread into the nut rivet. Okay, that's fastened on. We'll bring the rod up by the radiator and find out where we're going to screw this on to here. Let me get a marking pen and I will mark where I need to cut off this rod. Okay, right there is my mark where I want to cut. So we'll take this rod over the bandsaw, cut it off right there. Now what I'm going to do is put a nut rivet in this end and attempt to cut a slot in that bracket to put the screw into and allow the radiator to go forward or back to adjust the angle. What I did here was drill a series of small holes, and then I opened it up with a bigger drill. It gives me an adjustment for the radiator angle. So what I did was duplicate the process on this side, and we have our brackets all made up, and it does firm up the radiator very well. Now one of these days we got a problem to work on because this radiator sits so low down in the frame. Let's see if I can get it in here. The lower radiator hose right back in here comes out close to the axle. So it has to get a quick 90 so that the hose can come up over the top of the frame and into the water pump. The old radiator that used to be on this frame had a similar setup. Let's see if I can get over here and show you. There it is. You see how the 90, of course this was copper and steel, and it was all welded up that way. But now I'm dealing with an aluminum radiator, so I gotta figure that one out. That's it for today on the DLR Roadster Cheaters Auto Club Special. Thanks for watching. Come back for the next one. See you later.